The ninth day of Techmas covers embedding a YouTube video in Canvas. This process will work for any resource in Canvas that uses the rich content editor that includes pages, assignments, quizzes, and discussions. For this particular operation, I'm going to do the demonstration in a page, but it can be done in any of those previously mentioned resources. Once you've located the resource where you would like to complete this operation, you're going to click the down blue arrow to access more external tools. You are then going to select YouTube. At that point, a YouTube search will launch. In the search area, the search box right here, you can type your search term. So if I want to search for Google Forms in about 10 minutes, I could do that. And once I hit enter, it will find all possible results. I can scroll through those results and I can choose the video that I would like to embed. Alternatively, you can navigate to YouTube. You can find a video on YouTube, and on any YouTube video, you can right click, select copy video URL. The link will appear, it will flash for just a second. You can jump back over to Canvas, and in the search area, instead of entering terms, you can paste the video URL and it will then return only that particular video. Once you have the video that you would like to embed, you click the down arrow to the right of embed and you can select either a small, medium, or large video. I'm going to embed a small video. It will take just a moment. At that point, you can use any alignment tools to align the video however you would like. So if I would like the video to be centered, I can select the center alignment tool. That covers the basic process for how to embed a YouTube video in Canvas. I would like to show just a little bit more advanced operation for those who are interested. Sometimes you have something like a table where it would be very hard to complete that embed operation. So in this case, if I want the Google Forms in 10 minutes video to go here, what I can do is I can locate that video on YouTube. I can right click and this time select copy embed code. I can jump back over to Canvas. There's this HTML editor right here that you probably have not used a lot, but if you click on that, it shows you all of the code that is actually behind what's in the rich content editor. I can highlight where it says Google Forms in about 10 minutes goes here, and I can paste the embed code. Notice by default, it will come in as a large size video. I can change that if I would like. So I'm going to click save, and you will see that it comes in as a very large video. Again, if I don't like that, it's very easy to change that. I can go back to edit, select HTML editor, and I can manipulate the width and height to the size that I would like. So by default, I know that a small video is 320 by 240, so I can switch this to a small video size, but I can ensure that it stays in the table exactly where I want it. And that operation can be a little bit hard to complete if you're just inserting a video by embedding it. And I would repeat the same process for the advanced Google Forms option right here, again, by copying the embed code, jumping back over to Canvas, selecting edit, go into the HTML editor, and locating where the text has been displayed. And that's a useful feature. Type the text in some way that's easy to locate so that you can just paste over top of it, and then you can change the width and the height in the code if you would like. Again, that's a more advanced operation for those of you who probably are already using Canvas on a regular basis and may have things like tables inserted into your courses and would like to place YouTube videos inside of those tables. Do you have any questions on the process of embedding a YouTube video in Canvas? Please let me know.